new journeys. First of all, we wish to congratulate for choosing Computer Science and Engineering branch in PSNA CET. And totally around 45 faculty members are here. In 45 faculty members, around 20 faculty members are PhD holders, and around 40% have more than 15 years experience. So I hope you are in right hands. And the transition between 12th standard to college, little bit anxious and confused. So you should come out from that. It's simple. So far, your parents might have driven you for each and everything. படிக்கிறதுக்கு சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு தூங்குறதுக்கு எல்லாமே parents தான் சொல்லிப்பாங்க. But in college, you are coming out of your house. You have to explore outside world. You have to be more responsible, confident, and be positive. And you should, whatever the guilt feeling, you have to come out from that guilt feeling. You may came from different background, but in the college everybody is same. So you be friendly. You have to make friends, and you have to be friendly with your faculty members. And this is the first day. I could see a lot of queries from your WhatsApp communication. I could see, but all the queries will be answered. Be patient and be happy. That is very important. You have to feel fresh. So you have to do, like, you should not do too much, and make new friends. Be friends, and you have to feel very comfortable. That is the main objective here. When you feel comfortable, the learning process starts. And learning is not only studying your textbooks. You have to explore what are the things around you. Almost this department last 5 years, if you could see the statistics, admission as well as placement is high. Admission also more than 98% seats are filled. At the same time, the students, 90%, more than 90% students are placed in good companies, from 3 lakh package to 10 lakh package. So when you leave the campus, you just keep it in mind. You have to go with the placement order. You see, whatever instruction we are giving, if you follow strictly, then your life will be very, very brightful, colorful. Only thing is, you need to follow the instruction. And again, here you may come from biology, you may come from computer science. There is no difference at all here. Whatever we teach, whatever we give, you just follow the instruction carefully. And we will have a separate orientation for each and every domain. We will have a separate orientation another day. Today, the first day. Now the 15 days will be the completely induction day. It's all your day to understand each other, explore the entire campus, to make new friends. And what are the positive things? You just observe the positive things. Be positive, be confident, and take care of your health. The health is equally important. You have to develop a good habits, like taking shower in the morning and coming to the college regularly, and attending the classes. You should not miss any classes. Whatever the programs you try to attend, there will be takeaway in each and every session. That you need to take care of all those things. These 15 days, be cool, be comfortable, enjoy the 15 days induction program, how the world is, and you put all your ideas. Whatever your ideas comes, you can talk to your faculty members, you talk to the concerned in charges, so that you can explore whatever you want to be. Okay, thank you, all the very best, and have a great 15 days. We will meet again in the department and during orientation program. Okay, happy learning. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome all freshers to PSNA CSE family, as we are all eagerly waiting to see you all. Definitely in the நாள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் டே, because you have joined engineering program. So you are all having some dreams, like what we are going to do in engineering. So today you are going to start a fresh and new journey towards your career. So இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து like what we are going to do in engineering, what are the challenges, milestones and achievements we are going to have in this 4 years of engineering program. அது வந்து எல்லாரோட மனசுலயும் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கும். சில ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு விதமான ஹாப்பினஸ், ஒரு ஃபியர்னஸ், ஒரு கன்ஃபியூஷன், அதே மாதிரி பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸைட்மெண்ட் இருக்கும். ஸோ லைக் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் இந்த 4 years டிகிரி ப்ரோக்ராம்ல. ஸோ ஈவன் தோ யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் சம் கன்ஃபியூஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபியர்னஸ், டோன்ட் வரி. We are all here to help you. Because we are having a strong team in PSNA, so we are all here to help you to achieve the betterment in your career. So in the Department of CSE, PSNA College of Engineering Technology, we are having a strong team of professors. So in the 4 years degree program, with the help of the professors and the alumni are the old students of PSNA who are all in various places in India as well as in abroad. So they are all coming here through online or physically they will interact you, as well as your seniors, the current second years and third years and final year students, as well as your peer group. So with this strong team in Department of CSE, PSNA College of Engineering and Technology, we will definitely guide you to get a better employment in your 4 year of engineering program. So my dear young talents, this college life is unforgettable moment for every one of us. எதுக்காக நான் சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னா, இந்த 4 years degree programல தான் you are going to learn about the engineering process towards your career. உங்களோட கரியர்ல நீங்க எப்படியெல்லாம் நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ண போறீங்க அப்படிங்கறத ஒரு பேஸ், ஒரு ஃபவுண்டேஷன் இந்த engineering programல தான் நீங்க வந்து லேர்ன் பண்ண போறீங்க. ஓகே, so in this particular 4 years degree program, you will get most valuable inputs from all the above said people such as professors, alumni, seniors, your peer group, etc. So that you have to concentrate on your studies well in this 4 years. So especially as an engineering student, you should be the lifelong learner. So lifelong learner in the sense, not only in 4 years of degree program, after completion of your engineering, when you are working, அப்பையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் நல்ல லேர்னிங் ஹேபிட் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கணும். எஸ்பெஷலி த கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், யூ ஹாவ் டு என்ஜாய் வித் டூயிங் ப்ரோக்ராமிங். யூ ஷுட் பி த எக்ஸ்பர்ட் இன் டூயிங் ப்ரோக்ராமிங். In addition to the academics, you have to concentrate on various curricular activities in order to face the competitive environment. What are the curricular activities? You have to do the various projects and you have to involve in various competitions. You have to do various online certifications, etc. இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி கரிக்குலர் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ்லாம் சொல்றப்போ சில பேருக்கு ஒரு ஃபேர்னஸ் வரலாம். Don't worry. In our department, we are having strong team for every one of these things. So definitely we are going to give more inputs towards this in your forthcoming orientation program. So you don't worry about that. So in addition to curricular activities, you have to develop your communication skills, because if you are communicate பண்ணனும் அப்படினா you should have the strong communication skills. So academics, உங்களோட கரிக்குலர் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ், உங்களோட கம்யூனிகேஷன், இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா end of third year or in final year, you will get a better employment. You will get a better employment with a good salary package. Because when you are joining engineering, your dream as well as your parents' dream is getting a better job. Our PSNA management is very keen on that. Our management, especially our pro-chairman, principal, they are all very much interested in bringing a lot of good companies to the campus. So இதெல்லாம் ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா ஒரு காலேஜ் முடிச்சு போறப்போ ஒரு நல்ல ஜாபோட நீங்க வெளியே போலாம். If you are getting a job, first of all, your parents will be the more happiest person. Next, we the teachers, we are the second parents, we will be more happy. So you should have the passion, commitment and objective to get a better employment. So in this moment, I wish to say one திருக்குறள். ஈன்ற பொழுதின் பெரிதுவக்கும் தன் மகனை சான்றோன் என கேட்ட தாய். So இந்த திருக்குறளுக்கு மீனிங் எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும். So according to this திருக்குறள், நீங்க ஒரு நல்ல ஜாபோட வெளியில போனீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களோட பேரண்ட்ஸ் வந்துட்டு they will be very happy. Okay, they will be very happy. So with this, as a professor in charge, myself, Dr. Karthikeyan, Department of CSE, I wish all my dear young talents very best for your career development and other betterment of your future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hello juniors. With immense pleasure on behalf of our institution and all the seniors and the faculties, I welcome you all to the PSNA family. And this is your second phase of your education, like this is the second phase of your student life. And I wish you all great successes, numerous smiles and sweet memories in this phase of life. And as a senior, I would like to say you that this 4 years will let you learn many new things which will make you to shine brighter in your future. Also, in our college, we have most supportive faculties who will be our shoulders in every new step we begin with. Also, we have various placement opportunities which could encourage us in our future. Also, we have numerous clubs such as IMAT Club, Toastmasters Club and various clubs which would provide you opportunities to show off your skills. And trust me, these 4 years will be the best part of your life. Have spirit, put your efforts and shine brighter. Thank you. This is Shamla Devi signing off.
A warm welcome to one and all present here. I am extremely overwhelmed for getting this opportunity to address you all on this special occasion of freshers. My dear friends, you are the fresh faces to this institution, and I would like to tell you that you have made an absolutely secure decision to be a part of this institution. I joined this college 1.5 years ago, and now I feel proud to be a part of this elite institution where we taught by great teachers, those who have very well teaching experience, and they always encourage us to do something new in our skills, and they are always supporting us. I hope you will get the same. Now I will halt my words with my last point. For the next 4 years, you will definitely have a more joyful and more memorable days. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much for joining with us here.
Hello my dear brothers and sisters, let me start by congratulating you for selecting this prestigious institution, PSNA College of Engineering and Technology. You are starting the journey we just have completed, but life is an endless journey. Life has no end but has a milestone. Completing your graduation from PSNA CT will be a great milestone and will be a memorable one. We are all glad to welcome you for CSE department of PSNA CT and see your excitement to share the same. Not only we but the faculties too are eager to see you all and being strangers no more. So, fasten up your shoelaces and buckle up your belts for the journey ahead because the best part of your life is waiting for you. You, as we 2 years earlier, will be in mixed emotions. Some might be excited to see your new friends, some will be overwhelmed to join your new college, some might be feared of new atmosphere, some might be feared of coding and some might be feared of big buildings. Here, I wish to say on behalf of all the seniors, PSNA is with awesome atmosphere packed with appealing greenery, resourceful, understanding and amazing faculties and sophisticated laboratories to enrich your practical knowledge and astonishing library to quench your knowledge thirst. Talking of studies, faculties here are very eager to give you the most they can. Faculties here are very resourceful and expertise in their subjects. You have so many seniors for you to guide you about the techniques and skills you require to reach your goals, of course with your hard work. Understanding the concepts is the key to success and key to excel. So I, on behalf of all the seniors, would like to welcome you all for our college. All you guys out there, the real journey of your life starts from here. I wish you all the best of luck for your coming life and for future. Remember, understanding is the key. This is Nishantani of 3rd year CSE, signing off. Thank you.
Hi, myself Dhanush Kumar. Welcome to PSNA College of Engineering and Technology. நம்ம காலேஜ்ல இதுவரைக்கும் 102 companies visit பண்ணிருக்காங்க, thousands of students place ஆயிருக்காங்க, 150 plus dream offers grab பண்ணிருக்காங்க. பட் இதை விட ஸ்பெஷலான ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்கு. அது என்ன அப்படின்றத பாத்தீங்கன்னா நாம தான். We the students are the backbones of the PSNA and teachers are the hearts of the PSNA and they are the guidance of the PSNA. நிறைய பேர் நிறைய கனவோட இந்த இன்ஜினியரிங் சூஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. நிறைய பேரோட சஜஷனை கேட்டு இந்த இன்ஜினியரிங் சூஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. எது எப்படியோ லைஃப் இஸ் a journey. அந்த ஜர்னியை நீங்க இன்னையில இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அதுவும் உங்க காலேஜ் லைஃப்ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. At last, love yourself. Thank you.
Hello all. My best regards to everyone watching this. I am Nivashni Kamalakanan of final year from Computer Science and Engineering Department. I welcome you all on this beautiful journey of a new phase of life. The path you have chosen is the worthiest one because our department has an excellent group of professors to help you with all technical aspects and academics. There are so many sources to learn a lot of new things and our department has it all covered. There is also a wide range of platforms to expose your talents like hackathons and various competitions conducted by our department. The workshops, seminars and webinars with various industry people conducted by our department helps you to gain knowledge in various domains and makes you know what industry expects from you. Many alumni meets are conducted frequently to help you know how to use our department resources efficiently and to share their experience in industry. Last but not the least, we get trained exclusively for placements in both overall way and company specific way too. All this made me secure not 1 but 5 offers from reputed companies. Now, all you need to do is keep your brain open from day 1 and explore all technical stuff, choose a domain and expertise in them with professors' help and collaboration with your fellow students and seniors. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and once again, welcome to the CSE family of PSNE CET. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rishi from Computer Science Department. So welcome to PSNA. It will be the best college for you to gain lot of knowledge and develop your skills. And PSNA provides a good infrastructures and ambience out there, so it will be more comfortable for you to inside the campus. And there are a lot of experienced professors are there, so if you have any clarifications or doubts, so they are really supportive for that. And PSNA offers a lot of activities like webinars, workshops and internships and hackathons, competitions, like a lot of things which will really helpful for your career. And additionally, they are providing skill rack facilities and IBM courses, which is valuable for computer science department and which is really valuable for job opportunities also. And placement cell of the PSNA is really supporting in on-campus drive. And so far I am placed in 3 companies, so I am really want to thank placement cell of PSNA, so and my supporting professors also. So I want to suggest you to learn from the beginning. It is the most important thing that to be followed, and hope you will get a good career, and thank you.